Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Coal smuggling case. TMC MP Abhishek Banerjee did not cooperate during ED questioning, say sources. Trinamool Congress MP Abhishek Banerjee did not cooperate with the Enforcement Directorate during the over 8-hour-long questioning on Monday in connection with an alleged coal smuggling case, sources told India. Abhishek Banerjee, who is the nephew of the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, was asked specifically about the alleged uncounted money which was received by two firms associated to his family members. However, Abhishek Banerjee failed to explain the sources of money which officials claimed in the process of crime generated in the coal smuggling case, sources close to ED said. India Today was learned that Abhishek Banerjee was also confronted with the bank statement of these firms during the probe. Abhishek Banerjee's father, Amit Banerjee, is one of the directors of Leaps and Bound PVP Ltd. His wife, Rosira Banerjee, is the director of Leap and Bound Management Services Limited along with his father. He also questioned over his alleged association with TMC youth leader Vinayak Mishra, who is an absconding accused in the case. The claims that Vinay Mishra played an important role in the transportation and movement of the cash which was allegedly generated in the coal smuggling. Afghan varsities deserted as Taliban imposed new rules, draw curtains in classes. Universities in Kabul were almost empty on the first day of the Afghan school year as professors and students wrestled with the Taliban's restrictive new rules for the classroom. The Taliban have promised a softer rule than during their first stint in power from 1996 to 2001, when women's freedom in Afghanistan were sharply curtailed and they were banned from higher education. This time, the hardline Islamist group have said women will be allowed to go to the private universities under the new regime, but they face tough restrictions on their clothing and movement. Our students wear the hijab, not the niqab, he added, referring to a headscarf. The Taliban Education Authority issued a lengthy document on Sunday outlining their measures for the classroom, which also ruled that men and the women should be segregated or at least divided by a curtain if there are 15 students or less. We said we didn't accept it because it will be difficult to Rahmani told AAF. We also said that it is not real Islam, it is not what the Quran says. From now on, at private colleges and universities which have mushroomed since the Taliban first ruled India, women must only be taught by other women or old men and use a women-only entrance. For some students, it is still relief that they at least go for university for studies. For 28-year-old computer science student Amir Hussain, everything changed completely after the Taliban takeover. Many students are not interested anymore in studying because they don't know what their future will be. He said most of them want to leave Afghanistan.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.